Clad beef.
One night beef for me, man.
Yo,
When you go kill him, what's your idea of it on? No! Come in a while, I go do it now.
So I go and write yes or no, appear injustice, aka police brutality. Because from me can hear in the video from the people them say, this a man here come from work and he work at the water commission. You understand? So most likely in the coming from work later or something like that. And the police them stop him. I don't know if him and them in an altercation or whatever, but from here people them attack and the police them first lick him. You understand? So my thing is that if you don't find the man with no gun and he come from work late, you have a reason for why he on the road, because he come from work late. You understand? You find him not gonna work he come from. So for your first instinct now as a police now, I feel lick the man. You understand? Because you can hear the people them in the crowd they say, you know, officer you first wrong and you first lick the man, and this not right. So them lick the man now and the man lick them back now, it cause the whole outcome for the whole problem. You understand? So anyway people, the video kinda long still, so watch the video, leave a comments below and like and share the video, and if you like the channel, remember, subscribe.
Everybody sees that. Yo, young you, just relax, brother. Young you, just relax.
Please stay on the call, no.
Young you, just relax.
Hear me?
Just relax.
Me and video it.
Relax, man. Just relax, man. Not big man, no man. I'm not government. Where you go to fire about that?
yeah, show them
Why man, mind discharge the fire out there. Can't go kill everybody out there, nobody. Yeah. Wanna relax, man. A show, man. A government. Look at the man shot. Big old water commission. That's why the man shot. All that go and deal with it. Why you go like that?
Chop not going ahead. Chop not going ahead.
No, that's why you deal with the man. I say the deal with the man. Just relax, young you. Just sit for yourself, man. I want to kill for yourself, man. Relax. Relax, man. No, man, I ain't supposed to get man, of course. Everybody out there see that. I'm being your witness at
Long
court.
time starting.
Being your witness at court. I ain't supposed to make the man. Everybody see that.
I'm working to come from.
I want the man tell them that. I let the man tell them. And I say that. Yo, cool ring. Yo.
Yo, sin take off, sin take out in gun there, no. Oh. Buck like gunshot, lick out me ears. B. You know. You me catch a gunshot in the ear, you know.
Come on.
can't shoot the
Man, I come from work and the police them bumbo that to match up him man. Where him man I come from? Fire gunshot. Man, I come from work and they play music and they go in and them a style man. Ali gunshot me catch on fire. Of course, Ali gunshot. No man, Ali gunshot me catch. Yo, me feel like me deaf. Lord? I am supposed to give man, me see it from the God.
Yeah, man, take pussy on it, man.
No, but the man try the bigger man in my car.
Yeah, man, take it. Put on your blood.
Clap one more time. Click that.
Yeah, get out of here.
Yo, what?
Get your phone, get your brick. No one money time, no. We no afraid of more car if the Iris. Licking I'm.
We see everything. We see everything.
See everything I go on the camera too. I'll shot fire and thing, you know, man. Make it someone to drive back on him.
Man, just come here for a little while.
And then the person say man come here right now. Because you never be excited over it. Because you don't care about peaceful place. You know that. Because it's a road that can never police a road that nobody will trouble you. You know that, bad man. So if you move so nobody around you. And you come and you come. If someone has a tough up on the man. We're all going to pick up that road.
This thing happening.
You say, we're all going to pick up that road.
I'm not going to get worse. I'm not going to go further.
Right.
He could have shoot him, man, you know. He could have shoot him, man, you know. But guess what going on? Me catch everything on the camera, you know. On the gunfire on the camera. On the gunfire on the camera.
So anybody else could get shot. And you discharge your life for your arm. And you know use it. Boy, you're going to get charged to that too. We're not eat that around here. Remember that.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.